Have you ever gotten the notion that there are people who can become extremely wealthy while others struggle financially? Does it make you wonder if there is a secret formula to becoming wealthy that you are unaware of? In today's video, we will be sharing 10 reasons why you will still be broke in 2023, which highlights the differences between financial success and financial distress. More importantly, we'll be providing 10 steps on how to break free of this prison and start being successful. For more content on personal finance, don't forget to subscribe and follow Legend Finance for more exclusive videos. Financial instability refers to a situation in which financial markets or institutions experience disruptions, such as rapid and large changes in asset prices, or the failure of a major financial institution. Financial instability can hurt the economy as a whole in many ways, such as by causing less investment, more unemployment, and slower economic growth. There are several common causes of financial instability. First, economic downturns. A recession or economic downturn can lead to financial instability by causing a decline in the value of assets, such as stocks and real estate, and a decline in economic activity. This can result in increased defaults on loans and increased financial stress on households and businesses. Second, failure of financial regulations. Weak or ineffective financial regulations can cause instability by letting financial institutions do risky things like taking on too much debt or taking unnecessary risks. Third, market speculation. Excessive speculation in financial markets, such as a rapid increase in asset prices that is not supported by underlying economic fundamentals, can lead to instability when the speculative bubbles bursts. Fourth, external shocks. There could be external factors that affect the financial system, such as the sudden change in interest rates, geopolitical events, natural disasters, or changes in government policies which might cause instability. Fifth, inadequate risk management practices. Financial institutions which lack proper risk management systems and practices that can lead to the buildup of concentrated and hidden risks, increase the likelihood of financial instability. Sixth, interconnectedness. With the increase of interconnections between financial institutions, market, and countries, a failure in one institutions or market can rapidly spread to others, amplifying the scale and scope of instability. Note that these are the few major causes. Financial instability can have multiple causes and multiple layers to them, and can also have different types of instability like banking crisis, currency crisis, sovereign debt crisis, etc. Step 1. Believe in the law of income. People who are successful believe that they will be paid based on how much value they bring to the market. In other words, if they play an integral role in creating a product that everyone needs and wants, then they should be compensated accordingly. Affluent individuals understand that output is the only metric that counts. Since we live in a world that is focused on results, the underprivileged thought that they should be compensated according to the number of hours they put in. Hard work is a factor in success. When value added, results are not consistently produced. It can become a symbol of inefficiency. The poor frequently miss the mark by concentrating solely on the heavy load. Here is a simple explanation of the law of income. The law of income refers to the economic principle that states that an increase in the price of a good or service will lead to an increase in the supply of that good or service. This principle is based on the idea that when the price of a good or service goes up, it becomes more profitable for the people who make it to sell it, so they sell more of it. On the other hand, when the price of a good or service goes down, it becomes less profitable for producers to make that good or service, so they make less of it. This principle is one of the basic laws of supply and demand in economics. Step 2. Read books. Successful individuals read a ton of books, and they live by the saying that the more you learn, the more you will earn. This is often accomplished by reading a book. The world's greatest investor, Warren Buffett, was once asked, "What is the key to success?" He replied, pointing to his stacks of books, and said that you must read 500 pages every day. That is how knowledge works. Knowledge builds up like compound interest, and all of you can do it, but not all of you will do it. Warren Buffett is not the only bookworm in a room of book readers. He is also joined by Mark Cuban, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, who dedicates 3 hours a day to reading. We also have Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, who reads 50 books a year. And lastly, Elon Musk, the creator of Tesla, who is also an avid reader and learned how to build a rocket through reading. Only 1 in 50 people say they regularly read books on self-improvement, which means they don't have the information they need to be financially successful in the future. By reading, you will also get additional benefits including improving vocabulary and language skills, expanding knowledge and understanding of the world, enhancing critical thinking and analytical skills, fostering empathy and understanding of others, providing means of entertainment and relaxation, improving focus and concentration, encouraging a love for learning. Step 3. Opportunities are more important than obstacles. There once was a shoe salesman who tried to sell shoes to the natives of a faraway country. There was one problem: they did not wear any shoes, and sales were often difficult. The salesman grew frustrated and left the area. On his way out, he met another shoe salesman and said, "Do not bother entering this town. Those people do not even wear shoes." The eyes of the second salesman grew wide, and he said, "If these people have never worn shoes before, then I could sell a pair to everyone. How fortunate we are to stumble upon an untapped market." It is all a matter of perspective. We often give up when there are obstacles in the way, while opportunities enter arenas that many would not dream of. Step 4. Your tribe and people. It is important to surround yourself with positive-minded people in your social circle. Having a nice group of friends that enjoy talking about success, opportunities, and the best things in life. People are more likely to have the best view of the world when they are with good people. We need to make an effort when it comes to surrounding ourselves with people who will allow us to be the best version of ourselves. Unfortunately, sometimes our childhood friends may end up being bad influences, and that can alter the course of your future and destroy your chances of improving your financial situation. Having a positive circle of friends can have many benefits for an individual's mental and emotional well-being. Good friends can give you support, company, and a sense of belonging, all of which can make you feel less stressed and happier in general. Positive social connections can also help you feel good about yourself and boost your confidence. They may be even good for your physical health. It is important to choose friends who are supportive, trustworthy, and respectful, and to make an effort to maintain those friendships. Step 5. Sharing your strengths. Successful individuals promote their talent and value. People who are triumphant in their careers have a skill or idea that has brought them wealth, and as a result, sharing their best asset with other people is often an effort to spread knowledge and help other people grow. The majority of the underprivileged are not exceptional in any way. Unfortunately, being average is a precursor to financial mediocrity. Also, people who are seen as having low incomes tend to underestimate how important it is to promote themselves if they want to move up. Here are some suggestions. There are several ways to promote your value and talent, including networking. Attend industry events and connect with people in your field. Self-promotion. Share your work and accomplishments on social media and through personal websites. Asking for references. Ask colleagues and supervisors to provide references or testimonials that highlight your skills and achievement. Volunteering, showing your skills in leadership and teamwork by joining volunteer organizations. Leveraging your existing relationships, utilizing your current relationships to open up new opportunities, such as asking a current colleague to introduce you to someone in their network who can help you find a new job. Continuous learning. Keep developing your skills by taking courses or workshops, or working on personal projects. Professional development. Take on projects or initiatives that will help you develop new skills and demonstrate your abilities to your employer and others in your industry. Results-oriented mindset. Focus on delivering results and demonstrate to your employer how your performance has contributed to the company's success. Follow Legend Finance for more educational content on personal finance and in-depth tutorials. Stay tuned for more of our videos. Step 6. Thrive on new challenges. The majority of people see problems as obstacles rather than opportunities. Other than trying to figure out ways to overcome hardship, people often succumb to the challenges they're facing and return to their status quo. Ideally, people should thrive on new challenges and understand that there is value in creating solutions to a problem. This can be a basis for many financial success stories. When someone thrives on new challenges, they are able to adapt to new or difficult situations and do well in them. This trait is often seen as a positive one because it shows that the person is strong, resourceful, and willing to grow. People who thrive on new challenges tend to be proactive, take calculated risks, and are not afraid to step out of their comfort zones. They are also able to learn quickly and are more likely to succeed in a rapidly changing environment. Step 7. The value of opportunity cost. John Stuart Mill came up with the term opportunity cost, which economists often explain as the cost of missed chances. It is the value of the best alternative that must be given up in order to pursue a certain action or decision. The opportunity cost is usually measured in terms of the next best alternative. It is an important concept in economics and decision making, as it helps weigh the pros and cons of different choices and make informed decisions. In conclusion, it's important to understand opportunity cost if you want to make smart decisions, make good use of resources, understand comparative advantage, and avoid the sunk cost fallacy. For example, if you have $5 and buy an ice cream cone, you should pass on the pack of gum. But wait, this is how the underprivileged think. They have a set amount of money, and they think that they could spend it on either one or another but not both. It sounds logical, right? The wealthy and affluent focus on getting both and following along the same lines, as in the example above. Let us give a rich person $5 to buy an ice cream and a pack of gum. Instead of setting aside the pack of gum, they decide to go for both. Why not both? But they would not buy the ice cream and the pack of gum initially. They would need a way to have enough money to afford both. So they might instead buy a 24-pack of water for $5 and sell each of them to buyers for 50 cents. With a total of $12, they can enjoy the pack of gum and an ice cream cone with $2 left over. Step 8. Focus on the net worth. Net worth is the difference between the total value of a person or company's assets and the total value of their debts. It is a measure of financial health and can be used to determine the value of a business or an individual's assets. Net worth can be an important indicator of an individual's or company's financial health. It can be used as a measure of financial stability and creditworthiness, and as a tool to help plan for the future. Net worth can be used to set financial goals and track progress toward achieving them. It can also be used to evaluate potential investment opportunities and make decisions about taking on debt or making large purchases. Additionally, net worth can be used to determine the value of a business and to help with estate planning. Overall, the importance of net worth is to give a snapshot of one's financial position. It can help you understand where you are financially and set goals for the future. The poor mostly talk in terms of hourly wages, while the rich focus on their net worth. The wealthy know that an hourly income is not nearly as important as someone's net worth. One can earn a huge amount per hour, but if they do not know how to keep it, they will still be broke. An affluent individual knows that a large net worth can create many opportunities and wealth in the future. Step 9. Be dollar smart. The poor are known to be penny smart and dollar stupid. This phrase basically means that some individuals are very particular about how they spend a small amount of money, like buying a cup of coffee, but do not make wise decisions when handling a large amount of cash. When it comes to investing, self-improvement, and education, rich individuals leverage both strategies by disciplining themselves when it comes to handling a large amount of funds for conferences, paid mentorship, and other activities that will foster continual success. Step 10. Build your connections. The rich understand the value of making connections and friends. Community service activities can help you find potential clients and meet new people, which are both good things. Almost 3/4 of wealthy individuals network and volunteer a minimum of 5 hours a month. For those struggling financially, only 1 in 10 do so, causing them to miss out on new connections and, most importantly, many opportunities for financial prosperity. In conclusion, these are just some of the factors that set the rich and poor apart, and by employing a rich person's habits that have been previously outlined, you will be much better equipped to break free of being broke in 2023. Thank you for watching Legend Finance, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more of our content.